Do you want to add an SSL certificate to your site that you purchased outside of WP Engine? It's easy to do. We'll show you how. First, I want to mention that if your site is pointed to the Advanced Network or Global Edge Security, SSL is automatically added and configured for you. You can find out which network your site is pointed to here on the Domains page. Hover over this icon in the Network column, and you'll see the network name pop up. In this example, my site is pointed to the Advanced Network. And if SSL is already active on your site, you'll see a green check mark in the SSL column. If you need to import an additional certificate that you purchased outside of WP Engine, we'll go over that now. The first step is to generate a CSR, or Certificate Signing Request. A CSR is a secure way to share domain and business information with a certificate authority so they can produce a valid SSL certificate for you. Here's how to do it. Scroll down toward the bottom of this page and click the Create CSR button. On the Generate a New CSR page, select the certificate type you need. This should match the type of SSL you're purchasing. Next, select the domain you're purchasing the certificate for. Now, fill in the necessary business information. Then, click Generate CSR. The next page will show your CSR file contents. You can either copy the contents or download the file and then provide the CSR to the certificate authority where you're purchasing your SSL certificate. WP Engine doesn't sell SSL certificates, so this will be a separate provider. As you go through the purchasing process with your chosen certificate authority, they may ask you for the server type. If they do, choose Nginx. After you complete your purchase and the certificate authority gives you the certificate and matching key file, come back to the SSL page in the user portal so you can import them. Now we're ready for the second step, which is to import the SSL certificate and matching key files you received from the certificate authority. Follow these steps. Click the Import button. Copy and paste the contents of your certificate files into the fields, or click Choose File to upload them. Please note that if you choose to upload the files instead of pasting them in, the key must be an RSA type key with the .key file type. And the certificate must be PEM formatted with the .pem, .crt, or .cer file type. Click Next and then follow the prompts. Before submitting your files, you'll be asked to choose your HTTPS preference. The Secure All URLs option will be selected by default, which forces all URLs to use HTTPS once SSL has been successfully installed. After submitting your files, the SSL will be automatically installed and activated on your site. And that's it! You've successfully imported your existing SSL certificate to WP Engine. Your website is now secure and ready to go. If you encounter any issues or have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly support team. We're here 24/7 to assist you.